Why did the payday loan go to a party? Because it wanted to feel interesting. But jokes aside, today we're diving into the world of payday loans. These are short-term loans that are designed to tide you over until your next paycheck. You might need one to cover unexpected expenses or to make ends meet. As for eligibility, typically you'll need a stable income source and a bank account. So, payday loans can be a quick solution when you're in a financial pickle. But how does one go about getting one? Let's dive in. Getting a payday loan is as easy as 1, 2, 3, or rather a few more steps than that. Let's dive in, shall we? Firstly, you'll need to find a lender. Yes, the one that suits your needs and situation the best. This might involve a bit of research, but hey, who said adulting was easy? Once you've found your ideal lender, it's time to complete an application. The application process is typically straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. This might include your name, address, employment details, and proof of income. Remember, honesty is the best policy here. These details are crucial for the lender to determine your ability to pay back the loan. Once your application is submitted, the waiting game begins. But don't worry, it's not like waiting for your favorite band to drop their new album. Payday loan approvals are usually quick. Some lenders might even get back to you within a few hours. If approved, the funds can be expected in your account faster than you can say payday. Usually this happens by the next business day. But hey, it can vary depending on your lender and their policies. And voila, you've got your payday loan. But remember, with great loans come great interest rates. So be sure to plan your repayment strategy wisely, because nobody likes a debt hangover, right? Now that you've got the cash, it's time to plan the payback. The repayment process for payday loans is typically quick, usually within a couple of weeks. However, the interest rates can be quite steep, often resembling a roller coaster ride rather than a leisurely stroll in the park. You see, payday loans are designed to be short-term solutions, not long-term financial strategies. Hence, they come with high interest rates to encourage prompt repayment. Some might even go as far as calling them sky high. But don't let that scare you off. It's all part of the game. Now, the elephant in the room is the consequence of not repaying the loan on time. If you miss the deadline, you could face additional fees, damage to your credit score, and in some cases, legal action. It's like playing a game of hot potato with a ticking time bomb. Payday loans can be a savior, but remember, it's not free money. It's a commitment, so make sure you're ready to pay it back on time. So, that's the lowdown on payday loans. We've navigated the application process, braced ourselves against those steep interest rates, and underscored the significance of paying on time. Remember, a payday loan is a tool, not a solution. Use it wisely, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep your finances interesting.